It is day 2 of Vlogmas. It's a pretty sunny day, so apologies for all the shade going on. I am on my way to my friend Annette's house for our sewing day that we've had planned for a while. We've had to cancel some sewing days, so it's been too long since we've gotten together and sewed. And I think especially for Annette, she doesn't sew when I'm not there, so it's very important and very exciting for us to have these opportunities to get together. Besides that, we always have fun and we always have a laugh when we hang out, so I know we're going to have a really good day, and I hope you guys have a fun time tagging along with us.
Hello! Come in!
That was a very fun day. I didn't get very far with my sewing project because I wanted to bind all of the edges before I actually started sewing it together. Not that there's that much sewing involved, it's a pretty quick project, but I ran out of binding. And I have used all of the fabric that I had here for the binding that I made, so I'm gonna have to find something else to finish binding it. I am excited though to finish it up, so I'm gonna have a look and see. I do have some pink binding that I've purchased that I think would probably work pretty well. So I'm gonna lay it against it and just see what I think. I mean, this is definitely, the fabric itself is all over the place and it's patched together, so I think patching together some binding will be absolutely fine for it. I've gotten through one of the pieces, so it's basically two pieces that you sew together. One of them is bound, the other one is halfway pretty much bound. So I'm gonna see how I can get on with that with whatever I happen to already have, because I'm not buying anything for it. I'm sure I've got scraps that would work otherwise. I'm gonna do my advent calendars. I'm gonna start with the marshmallow one, and I'm not gonna eat the marshmallows. I'll just tell you guys what it is and tell you the silly joke, because you don't need to watch me getting all messy and sticky with a marshmallow every day this December. But number 2 is here. What do snowmen eat for lunch? They give you two choices. Iceburgers or burritos? I would like a burrito. Burritos. Man, I really like burritos. I didn't even figure that one out. The flavor today is salted caramel, which is all too perfect. So today when I was at Annette's house, she brought over a little treat that she gotten for me when she was back home in Denmark. And it was, funnily enough, a marshmallow. And this is a total coincidence because she doesn't know that I'm on this marshmallow advent calendar. I'm not normally someone who eats that many marshmallows, so it's really funny that they're just suddenly appearing in my life this December. But she got me, it was a special fancy Danish marshmallow with a salted caramel filling covered in chocolate. So there's just something about today apparently with me and salted caramel marshmallows. So I think that one will probably be a better one to toast than the Oreo one, the cookies and cream one, but I will report back. I think it's going to be good. And most exciting, I get to open my Advent Swapmas gift. So it's the 2nd of December, so I get to open gift number 1, and I feel like I need to make sure I'm not getting confused on these because I'm opening them every other day. So I need to make sure that whatever the number is on the package, I am multiplying that by 2 to know which date that I'm opening it. So gift number 1, here we go. Exciting! Ooh. This looks hand sewn. Oh my god. This is so cute. Oh, look at this embroidered teacups. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. And I have extra treats in here. There's like a little pouch for my tea treats. This is so cute. I have a Grandma Wild's Bakewell Flapjack with raspberry jam and almond flavor. Delightful. And a tea. I got lemongrass, citrus, and ginger tea bag. I will love this. I will love having these together. And how cute is this whole little package? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Christine. This is adorable. Thank you so much. I don't have anything else particularly festive planned for the evening, but I'm hoping I might start chipping away at my jigsaw puzzle. Tomorrow, I feel like I definitely want to put up some Christmas decorations because I'm getting in the Christmas mood, seeing all the Christmassy stuff out and about, but this house needs to be fully Christmasified. I hope you guys are all enjoying all the Vlogmas videos out there. I have a whole lot of catching up to do, and I'm really looking forward to that. I will see you guys again tomorrow on day 3. Bye!